It can be quite embarrassing when you cannot have or maintain an erection during sexual intercourse. This is termed erectile dysfunction. Now, your brain is where an erection begins. Something you saw, felt, smelled, heard, or thought of makes your nerves send chemical messages to the blood vessels in your penis. The arteries relax and open up to let more blood flow in. At the same time, the veins close up. Once blood is in the penis, pressure traps it within the corpora cavernosa. Your penis expands and holds the erection. When the inflow of blood stops and the veins open, your penis becomes soft. Welcome back to our channel. In this video today, we are going to talk about some of the causes and remedies for erectile dysfunction. And if you are new here, remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you enjoy videos like this. Why does erectile dysfunction even occur in people? Vascular disorders, which include conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, immobility, smoking, etc., are the leading cause of heart disease. Another factor is medicine, which typically includes most blood pressure medications, notably those known as thiazides or beta blockers, such as metoprolol, which is widely administered. Also, antidepressant medicines, specifically SSRIs, serotonin selective reuptake inhibitors, are known to produce erection problems. Pelvic surgeries like prostatectomy or other surgeries that happen in the lower part of the abdomen where the nerves that go to the penis are located, is also another cause. Another cause comes from diabetes. Men with diabetes are more likely than not to experience erectile dysfunction. As a matter of fact, having the condition itself triples your risk. And the likelihood of developing erectile dysfunction increases the longer you have diabetes. This is due to the fact that diabetes affects the nerves and blood supply to the penis, both of which are crucial for erections. And lastly, a very small percentage are attributable to hormonal factors such as low testosterone, low thyroid, or pituitary gland disorders. So, if you have erectile dysfunction, you should see your primary care doctor and urologist, and you should be checked for cardiac disease risk factors by your primary care doctor, because erectile dysfunction can be the first indicator of heart disease. Other smaller causes of erectile dysfunction include neurologic causes, especially anything that impact nerve function to the penis, such as spinal cord injury, multiple sclerosis, or other neurologic diseases. Now that we know some of the causes of erectile dysfunction, let's talk about some remedies or things that can help prevent it. So, when it comes to things that can help your erections, everything that is good for your heart is also going to be great for your erections, because, as previously stated, vascular problems are the #1 cause of erectile dysfunction. In the morning when you are at sleep, the stress hormone level is low and your parasympathetic system is dominated. So if you are suffering from erectile dysfunction and you have normal morning erection, then the problem could be the stress. If you could reduce the stress, the problem of erection will automatically reduce. You want to avoid processed foods, anything canned, saturated fats, dairy, and red meat. And studies have shown that eating a Mediterranean diet improves erectile strength or slows the rate of reduction in erection strength. The Mediterranean diet includes fresh produce, fish and polyunsaturated oils like olive oil. Exercise is also an excellent way to boost erections. Multiple studies have shown this, and you should aim for 60 minutes 3 times per week. You can now divide that up as much as you like. You can do it in 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the afternoon, and 10 minutes later throughout the course of 7 days. So it doesn't have to be a major hassle. It is not required to do everything at once. The next step is to avoid sugar and alcohol. Sugar raises the risk of developing atherosclerotic plaque and can harm the endothelium lining of blood vessels. As a result, the more endothelial lining damage there is, the less nitric oxide there is in the body. Alcohol also lowers the level of nitric oxide in the body. Increasing the level of nitric oxide in our bodies will substantially aid in the restoration of the erection-related problem. Nitric oxide is important in both the erection process and sleep cycle. Sleep apnea, for example, raises your chance of erectile dysfunction. Normally, nitric oxide decreases by 50% after 40s. Is there a way to increase the amount of nitric oxide in our bodies? The first step is to practice nasal breathing. Nitric oxide is synthesized in the paradisal sinuses and continually released into the nasal airways of humans. Nitric oxide enters the lungs and circulates throughout the body when we breathe through our nose. The next thing you should improve is your sleep. A good sleep can reduce stress and improve erection. Quit smoking if you smoke, because that's not going to help your erections, and very importantly, relate your erectile problems to your urologist to know the best medical options to take to improve your erection. As always, take good care of your body because it is the only place you live in. Hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.